Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anindita. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Now my channel is about beauty and lifestyle. Today I have chosen baby wipes. I'll give you a detailed review of the brands that I have chosen. Now I have used almost all the brands which are available in Indian market. All of them are very nice. They're extremely good on your skin. They're not pricey, quality is too good. But among all of them, I have chosen 5 which are my most favorite. And I'll tell you everything about the wipes, everything that I know. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. This is the first one. This is Johnson & Johnson baby wipes. This is how the packaging is. It's a lovely coral color outer packaging with a lovely baby face on it. And this is how it opens. And there's the product. Now guys, why I have chosen baby wipes is because baby wipes work extremely well as a makeup remover. You don't really have to take milk cleanser or micellar water or cleansing balm, baby oil, whatever you use. Just a pack of baby wipes and you are sorted. These are dermatologically tested. They are soap free, alcohol free and paraben free. And the texture is very nice. It is as good as a cotton wipe. Cotton hanky. This is how it is. It's not transparent at all. And I have actually put bit of makeup today to show you guys how nicely it is gonna clean my face. And I have not used anything else. It's only the wipe and this is how much it has taken. The next one, it's Lovelock paraben free baby wipes. This has vitamin E and chamomile aloe vera. This is extremely mild and gentle on baby skin. This is my most favorite. First of all, see the texture. It's neither too thick nor too thin. It's exactly like a piece of cotton. And there you go. How nicely it's cleaning my face. See guys, it is cleaning my face very nicely without anything else. This is the third one. This is Dove baby wipes. Now guys, Johnson & Johnson baby wipes retails for 75 rupees and it has 20 wipes. Lovelock paraben free baby wipes is 99 rupees and it has 72 wipes. Now this one retails for 135 rupees and it has 50 wipes. Now guys, it may sound little pricey, but guys, let me tell you something very honestly. This is perhaps the best among all the wipes. I'll just show you the texture. This is how it opens. Most of them will open like this, and because I have used them a lot, now I do not have much left. So when you are kind of using the baby wipes quite a lot and you have very less left, then it may happen that you take out one and 2 or 3 will come out all together. So for that you have to be a little bit careful. It should not fall down, right? Now guys, this is the texture. The texture is extremely nice. It is so thick like a cotton hanky, and this is as mild as water. This will not be harmful on your skin at all. It's cleaning my face so nicely, taking out all the makeup that I had, even my eye makeup. This is very nice guys, and this is sulfate free, this is paraben free, this is alcohol free. This is so like easy to carry in your handbag. If you are going somewhere and you are looking for something which will work like an all-in-one thing, then these are the ones that you can always take. This is from Grofers. Of late I'm doing my grocery shopping a lot from Grofers. So when I was doing my shopping, I saw that they have baby wipes and I just thought, why not give it a try? And I'm not disappointed. These are excellent. They are very nice. They are also like paraben free and alcohol free. The locking system is very good, and this is the product. And they have vitamin C guys and aloe vera. And this is how they look. Grofers call it a honeycomb texture. You guys can see that it has a self design, and this is bit transparent, right? However, it works really good as a hanky. There you go, guys. See how nicely it's cleaning. There you go, guys. The quality of the wipes are very good. You get 80 wipes here, and this one retails for 175 rupees. But guys, if you are doing your shopping from Grofers, then you can buy them at a half price. I bought it with a half price, and the quality is awesome. This is the last one. This is so cute. This is from Big Basket. Again, from Big Basket, I had to do my vegetables shopping. I saw this one and I just picked up, and again, this is very good. This is so small. This is easy to carry. It has 30 wires, and this one retails for 65 rupees. So this is quite pocket friendly as well. And like Grover's wife, sorry, like Grover's wife, this is also like they call it a honeycomb design, and it is a little transparent. But guys, I prefer them as well. You know, sometimes you might be looking for pack of wipes which are little thinner, little milder on your face. Sometimes the thicker ones might appear a little bit harsh on your face. Then these are the ones that you can actually use. Very good cleanser without depot cleansing milk, micellar water, anything else. They work fantastically well. Okay, yeah, fantastically well. And yeah, if you're going somewhere, do carry them in your handbag. They will fit aramse in your handbag, and you can clean your hand, each and every part of your body, your child, or these days we are cleaning a lot. Before sitting we are cleaning. So yeah, they are kind of a solution for each and everything. All of them are paraben free, all of them are alcohol free. They have kind of aloe vera, vitamin C, vitamin E. They are enriched in vitamin. They have moisturizer as well. Truly, they have moisturizer, so they are never ever drying on your face. Right after cleansing your face, you will not feel stretchy. Okay, you do not really have to apply a cream or moisturizer immediately. Now I live in Bangalore. This is quite a dry place, but when I'm out, I carry this and I'm kind of sorted. I clean my hand, my face, my children as well, and they are really comfortable, guys. Now, before I conclude today's video, let me just tell you guys something. Sometimes what happens is when you're using a pack of baby wipes and you're almost finished, then they start drying. Not all of them, but some may. Okay, so in that kind of situation, all you can do is you can take plain and simple drinking water and pour it inside the package, and your wipes will be back in good condition. This is not harmful at all. You can do this, but do not add oil or something to it. That will be really messy. Okay, take water, add this with your baby wipes, and keep on using them nicely. If you put lots of pressure, really lots of pressure, then there might be a leakage. Otherwise, they are kind of leak proof. They are travel friendly. So with that, guys, I'll conclude today's video. I hope you have liked it. So like it, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon also to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. And thank you for watching. Thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel. My subscribers are like my family. When I shoot my videos, I think about you. I love you guys a lot. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, ta-ta.